we knew the order was coming up, but actually when it dropped in, of course, it was a great excitement, like, wow, yay. And then the second thought was, whoa, how are we going to organize this in such a short time frame?
So Maxprep is a liquid handler that we sell. It's part of an overall suite of instruments that we offer to support sample prep from start all the way to finish. So the Maxprep can do pre-processing to set up Maxwell cartridges and deck trays, and post-processing, which is everything that happens after you've got your DNA, RNA out of your Maxwell. So qPCR setup, normalization, sample transfer, all of that.
The Rwanda order had a number of complexities to it. Unlike a single instrument order or even 2 or 3 instrument order. Not only was the region in which we had to get it to complex and the series of events that had to happen, the volume of materials in this was quite significant compared to how we would approach a standard instrument order.
It's like a sea of just Promega everywhere. Really, there were these long hallways kind of leading up to the rooms they wanted the instruments to be installed in. And floor to ceiling, just piled up with Maxwells, with the different Maxpreps, with all of the accessories and the consumables that go with the instruments.
So they actually had to create space for that. And the space they found were like 3 office rooms where they just put tables in and said, okay, install it here. And then, we felt like the table, well, maybe this one can help the Maxprep. Okay, let's put one here. And so, 3 like office rooms, small office rooms. That's where we put all the 10 Maxpreps.
We left there and went there with the intent to install 10 instruments and to do the end user training of approximately 20 individuals within a relatively short time frame. We had about 7 days where we were working with the instruments, and then 4 days of those 7 days to do the training. And by the end of the day on Friday, when we were getting ready to leave the National Reference Lab, we had those accomplished.
We were on the same team there, and it was like our own little Promega family in Rwanda. It was really cool.
They can focus on other things. They can focus on figuring out what the next step is to curing that disease or alleviating our healthcare, just by having that testing available to them. So that warms my heart a lot. It makes me very happy.